Hi my friends, when we install the huge LED displays on the whole building, especially on the glass walls, people often wonder, the LED displays are incredibly heavy, while the glass walls have limited load capacity. How we mount safely these displays and ensure it operated flawlessly for years? Let's follow our camera and see exactly how we tackle the challenge. Here, now we're at the back side of the display. It's very nice, isn't it? The power box, the cables. You see, this part is a connecting pad, right? Connecting pad. And the way you can see there is a steel slot, right? In that place, that is connect to here. Will be fixed here to load the whole LED display. And the other side of the slots will go through the building, go through the conjunction of the glasses and into the building inside of the building and fix on the steel structure inside it. You see here? So now you can see exactly by this way the whole LED display will be loaded by the structure inside the building. The steel structure inside the building, but not loaded by the glass wall, right? So in this case, it's pretty safe. Okay, so we are professional team on this kind of products, mesh products, and on such kind of applications. Thank you, my friend.